How to trade CEO departures. When a CEO steps down or is replaced, stock prices often react, but the direction of the move depends on the type of company and the circumstances around the departure. For large, well-established companies, CEO changes don't always cause long-term disruption. These firms often have strong structures in place, and leadership changes are seen as routine. But for younger or struggling companies, a CEO exit can signal major risk or a potential turnaround. That's where the CEO departure scenario becomes useful. It helps identify which companies are likely to see outsized price moves up or down based on leadership changes. Here's a real-world example. When Jeff Bezos left Amazon, the market panicked. The initial reaction was negative, with concerns that Amazon's growth might stall. But over time, the company's size and operational stability reassured investors. The stock recovered. Now contrast that with Disney's CEO replacement. Investors cheered the move, hoping for a turnaround after poor performance. The stock jumped on the news. But as the reality of a long-term fix set in, the price leveled out. It's not just about the CEO, it's about the company they're leaving behind. That's why filtering by financial performance matters. How to trade it. Using the Level Fields platform, you can apply filters on the CEO departure scenario to narrow down companies by profitability, revenue growth, and company size. If you focus on profitable companies with low to medium revenue growth, the average price move after a CEO event looks very different than companies with negative earnings or weak performance. Short-term traders can target the initial reaction, especially when the change is unexpected or sentiment is strong. Swing traders may wait for confirmation, watching how the market digests the news before entering. Long-term investors can track a series of leadership changes tied to larger business transformations, especially if a new CEO is known for driving operational improvements. Using the scenario summary page, watch how filters affect the one-day event impacts and win rates. Then switch to the scenario table view to see how companies performed after the CEO departure over time. Whether you're trading the news or analyzing long-term shifts, the CEO departure scenario gives you a clearer view of what leadership changes really mean for stock performance. Follow and subscribe for more. Level Fields, Elite Investing, Effortless AI.